Good morning, ninth class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 10 and name of the chapter is gravitation. In this chapter, total 7 topics are there. We have already completed 10.4. Today we are going to complete 10.5, 10.6 and 10.7 also. So here is our topic 10.5, thrust and pressure. In this section we have 4 subtopics: thrust, pressure, buoyancy and related numerical. So here is our first subtopic, thrust. Thrust is force, perpendicular force. So here is our pen, right? The angle between pen and the surface is 90 degree. Suppose if we are lifting this pen up, पेन को अगर हम ऊपर करें तो angle between the object and the surface is 90 degree. So here it is, the object is moving up, the angle between the lifted object and the surface is 90. So this force is thrust. Thrust is force. So here perpendicular force. Force unit is Newton. Understood? The same. And force thrust formula is F is equal to ma. The same as you have read in force. Next we have subtopic number 2, pressure. Pressure here. We are applying force. Force is push or pull, right? Pushing or pulling. So here we are applying force on a particular area, right? So here pen is applying pressure. Pen is applying force on a particular area, on unit area. So this one is known as pressure. Pressure formula is force upon area. And in terms of thrust, it is thrust upon area. Formula is same, P is equal to force is F and area is A. Then about SI unit is Newton meter square. This is for Newton and this is for meter. It is present in denominator, so minus. इसको पास्कल ने दिया था तो इसका नाम आप पास्कल भी कह सकते हैं. SI unit ये भी है और ये भी है, right? Then here pressure in fluids. Fluid here, suppose you have in one object and you are moving the object down. So pressure at the surface is less as compared to the depth, right? अगर आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पानी के अंदर डालेंगे तो ऊपर प्रेशर कम लगेगा, नीचे ज़्यादा लगेगा. सो दिस प्रेशर एंड डेप्थ इज़ डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड. एज डेप्थ इंक्रीजेस pressure also increases and pressure acts in all direction, right? So in this pressure section we have definition, formula, SI unit and pressure in fluid. Then next subtopic third is buoyancy. Other names are upthrust, buoyant force. तीनों same हैं. So buoyancy, upthrust, as the name indicates, up means in upper direction and thrust, force on upside, right? So upward force exerted by liquid on a body, right? So here as you are observing in this figure, there is one container and there water is there. So when you dip any object inside, जब आप किसी object को पानी के अंदर डालेंगे तो उस पर दो force लग रहा होता है. One of them is downward, that is gravitate because of earth, gravitational force. दूसरा वाला force कौन सा होता है? Upthrust, right? Upthrust is the force exerted by water on the object, राइट. एंड एक और फोर्स लग रहा होता है जिससे आप क्या कहते हैं? ड्रैग. वो लिक्विड के केस में ड्रैग लगता है एंड एयर के केस में आपको क्या लगता है जिसको हम कहते हैं, व्हाट इज़ इट नोन एज? रेजिस्टेंस, राइट? सो एयर रेजिस्टेंस. सो हियर वी हैव अपवर्ड फोर्स. सो अपवर्ड फोर्स, हियर वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ वन experiment, right? Here what I am doing here, I am putting this sketch color inside. So here when we push this sketch color inside, a force is exerted by water, right? Water इसके ऊपर एक force लगा रहा है, अंदर जाने नहीं देगा, right? तो naturally water is exerting some force on this object. So this force exerted by water is known as upthrust. Understood? Then next we have buoyancy, depends on density of the fluid. Naturally आप उसे किसी liquid के अंदर डाल रहे हैं तो liquid के अंदर if you are putting, that means the force is directly dependent on the density. मतलब उसके अंदर क्या है? water है, milk है, oil है, what is this? And then about density. Density is mass per unit volume. So here density, mass upon volume. And about SI unit, so very it is simple, it is kilogram meter दिस वन इज़ फॉर किलोग्राम, वॉल्यूम आपके पास मीटर में हो जाएगा, क्यूब में, एंड इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन डिनोमिनेटर, सो -3, राइट. देन अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, अगर आप पानी के अंदर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट डालेंगे इट में फ्लोट और सिंक, जस्ट लाइक हमारे पास यहाँ पे ये है कैप, राइट. तो कैप के ऊपर हम दो फोर्सेस के बीच में रेफरेंस में बात करेंगे. हियर द टू फोर्सेस एक्टिंग, वन ऑफ देम इज अप थ्रस्ट, वाटर डाल रहा है, दूसरा अर्थ डाल रहा है, राइट. सो हियर it is away from earth, right, on the surface of water. So here up thrust is more, water का force ज़्यादा है as compared to earth, right. So this one is, हमने यहाँ पे represent किया है force by 1, and this one is for gravitational. So here up thrust is more than gravitational force. In other ways you can say that density of fluid is more than density of object. Other one is sink. जैसे कि हमारे पास like here we have some other thing. Here what I am doing, putting one, it is not gone here. So this one is synced, ये अर्थ के नज़दीक हो गया. So this one here, gravitational force is more than up thrust, right. So here it is gravitational force is more than buoyant force. In other way, density of object is more than density of fluid. So this is about up thrust. Up thrust is nothing but force exerted by water. Next we have relative numerical. So relative numerical here, example 10.6, everything is written here, 5 kg underline, then 40, 20, this one is length, breadth, height. Then about pressure you have to calculate with reference to these two. So here mass is given LBH, everything is given, and here you must follow MKS. आपको फॉलो करना है मीटर, किलोग्राम एंड सेकेंड. तो मीटर में नहीं था, सेंटीमीटर में था, तो हमने इसे मीटर में कर लिया. एंड देन अबाउट केजी में है, तो आपको प्रेशर फाइंड आउट करना है, फोर्स अपॉन एरिया. फोर्स आप कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे M एंड जी आपको पता है 9.8. एंड देन अबाउट एरिया, इसके रेफरेंस में करना है, तो ये वैल्यू यूज़ करेंगे, यू विल गेट वैल्यू. एंड देन फॉर द सेकेंड वन इज़ फोर्स इंटू एरिया. फोर्स सेम है, एरिया आपके पास विद रेफरेंस टू दीज टू टर्म्स, आप वो यूज़ करेंगे, आपको मिल जाएगा वैल्यू, राइट. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट न्यूमेरिकल. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टॉपिक 10.6 आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल. हियर डेफिनीशन एंड एप्लीकेशन, ये हमारे पास सब टॉपिक 5th and 6th. So here Archimedes principle, again we are putting here glass of water, and here we have candle, right. हमारे पास ऑलरेडी इस ऑब्जेक्ट में ये और ये है, तो वाटर का एक लेवल है. सो हियर व्हेन यू पुट दिस कैंडल इनसाइड, आपने देखा होगा वाटर का लेवल इंक्रीज हो गया. सो दिस अप थ्रस्ट, वाटर एक फोर्स लगा रहा है, सो दिस अपवर्ड फोर्स, दैट मीन्स अप थ्रस्ट, इज इक्वल टू द वेट ऑफ फ्लूइड डिस्प्लेस, राइट. वंस अगेन आप देखो वाटर का लेवल कितना है, तो इसके ऊपर जैसे हमने अंदर डाला वाटर का लेवल हाई हो गया, राइट. तो ये क्या है, वेट ऑफ फ्लूइड डिस्प्लेस्ड इज इक्वल टू अप थ्रस्ट. दिस इज फॉर आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल. Here the same, when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of fluid displaced by it, right. So upward force is weight of fluid displaced by it. This is Archimedes principle, and it is for fluid, right, for all fluid, that means for air and for liquid, right, for gases. Then next subtopic 6 is related application. So it is used for designing ships, submarines, for lactometers for finding purity, and then for hydrometer for finding density of liquids. Then next we have topic 10.7 relative density. Subtopic number 7 about relative density, then relative numerical, and assignment number 4. So for relative density, as you know, mass upon volume. Then relative means here relative means density of substance to density of water. Relative density with reference to something. So here we are finding out density with respect to water. ऊपर भी density है, नीचे भी density है, तो unit क्या होगा, no unit. Then next we have relative numerical. So here relative density of silver 10.8. So it is written here density of water 10 to the power 6, density of silver you have to find. So use the formula, right, put all the values, you will get density of silver, right. Then next we have subtopic number 9, assignment number 4. This you have to do in your science copies and submit on Google Classroom. Number 1st, 2nd, 3rd question of page 141. Then page 143, question number 1, 2. Then page number 144, 145, question number 16, 19, 20, 21, and then 22. These all you have to do and submit on Google Classroom. Thank you.